You're the Crimson Paw?
When I first met you, I thought you were arrogant. Ooh, that was quick. First impressions are hard to shake. Self-satisfied? Dishonest. Greedy, for sure.
What changed your mind?
What do you mean?
Very funny.
I mean, going good was the hardest thing that I ever did.
It's hard to stay positive when we keep getting rejected. It makes you feel hopeless.
Did you say you were the
Crimson
Sorry.
You're about to discover why they call me the Big Bang.
I don't know. I think it's cute. Gives you character.
I don't think it's gonna help with my interviews. Do I have a concussion, or is the governor flirting with me?
Maybe both. I think I got carried away.
Sorry, I shouldn't have.
Oh, no. I didn't really. Let's just
let's
keep it friendly.
Yeah, because you're the governor, and I'm...
I know. Optics.
Totally.
Yeah.
Madam Governor.
Oops.
Children's Hospital fundraiser in 20 minutes.
I'll be right there, Maureen. People do want to trust you. You just have to give them a reason. I know it's tough.
Promise?
Hey, governor's word. Same time next week.
The calendar's wide open.
Catch you later, tough guy. Feels a little like I'm getting kissed by a butterfly. But until then, I would work on that right.
give him a reason?
Please, let's not jump to conclusions before we have all the facts.
Madam Governor, how soon are the bad guys going back to prison?
All right. Focus on the fact that every cop in the state thinks we're the Phantom Bandit.
Damage control.
Aunt Linda!
Wolf, what were you thinking?
Diane, listen. You gotta believe me. It's not what it looks like. Someone's setting us up.
Of course I believe you.
We could really use your help right now.
Wolf, I can't call off the cops.
It's got something to do with that MacGuffinite thing. Tom, I hate to drag you into this, but it's our only lead. Can you look into it? It's what the bandit's been after the whole...
MacGuffinite? Really?
Yeah.
I know exactly who to ask. What are medium friends for, huh? Wolf,
Yeah.
we'll get through this, okay?
He's been friend-zoned by the governor.
I have not been friend-zoned.
Not much of a romantic, are you?
In the meantime, don't trust anyone. Catch up with an old friend. You should have taken the mint, Whiskers.
Hey!
Boss, yeah, the chickens are in the broiler. Repeat, the chickens are in the broiler.
Diane's secret is safe. Or don't, and you, Diane, all comes crashing down. What'll it be?
All right, hot sauce. What's the job?
That's the job. A heist is never just about the loot. Isn't that right, Wolf?
It's a power move.
Take me to his cell. Marmalade.
Hello, Diane.
Oh my.
Right. Today was arm day. Oh, MacGuffinium fictitium. One extremely unique property.
I am not giving you a pardon.
Well, I'm not just gonna tell you, am I? So what's in it for me? How would you like to play a game? A pardon in the middle of pickleball season? No, I have a better idea. Backstabbing governors first.
It's a gold magnet.
Oh, she's catching on. You know, it's funny. You're the second person to come all the way here to ask me about MacGuffinite.
You had a visitor?
Apparently, we have a friend in common.
Found ya. Morning, ladies. I know everything. The MacGuffinite, the magnet.
What are you doing here? You know, I'm very hands-on.
Ooh, feisty.
You're all under arrest. You might want to check your phone, Crimson Ball.
You're not governor anymore.
No.
Chief, we were set up by a gang of super... Chief, please.
It's Commissioner. Wolf?
What did I tell you about messing with my friend?
Tried to stop her from posting.
Ugh. Gross.
Well, good thing I'm not the governor anymore, huh?
Oh, well, what happened to medium friendly?
About time.
Guys!
Whoa, Diane.
Alert.
What are you doing here?
Just happened to be orbiting the Earth. Thought I'd drop by.
We're gonna land this thing! Or we're gonna die trying!
This one's for you, Wolfie! Did I sell it or did I sell it?
Are you gonna tell us what this is all about?
Yeah, because I don't feel dead.
I don't understand. What's happening?
We're offering you a job, son.
You're gonna be secret agent.
Is what?
Secret agents? Yes,
Ready to get to work? Agent Wolf.
Not bad. Not bad at all.